Something that could be very important in the world of XRP is about to happen. There is talk that all the XRP that is currently in trust could be burned. At the moment, about 5,000 XRP are burned every day, which is 1.82 million XRP every year. There are more and more rumors that this rate is going up, and some experts even say that up to 25,000 XRP are burnt every day. It's interesting that this behavior is said to have something to do with Ripple's escrow account. A former director of Ripple has said that the company might burn all of the XRP that is in lockup all at once. There seems to be more than just guesswork behind how likely it is that this will happen. This situation is even more interesting because it happens at the same time that Ripple Labs announces it will buy back almost $1 billion worth of XRP from its circulation stock. A lot of people think that this buyback and the possible trust burn may have something to do with, because Ripple still needs XRP, the buyback has to happen. A burn like this in a trust account has big effects. There is about $10,000 worth of XRP in Ripple's trust account that could be burned. Based on my research, a value of $10,000 per XRP might be needed for Ripple Labs to keep running and growing, since the company is forming more and more partnerships and needs XRP to keep these partnerships going. This is what has caused XRP to reach $10,000 because of Ripple's growing global partnerships and their need for XRP. It is not only possible for the value of XRP to rise so much, it may even be necessary. XRP's value has grown by a huge amount. And new reports, both public and private, show that it is now used all over the world. Notably, a BlackRock story that got out said that they plan to use XRP for payments between countries. The main points of this study stress that XRP is becoming more important as a globalized cross-border payment method. This trend is getting stronger since the Central Bank of Ireland recently said they want to use XRP for deals across borders. XRP is now being used by the Central Bank of Japan for their global payment solutions. This is part of a larger trend where over 30 central banks are working together to create a central bank digital currency on the XRP ledger of these 19 central banks, which are said to have bought over $9.4 billion worth of XRP. This move not only shows that XRP is a reliable and efficient way to pay, but it also makes Ripple, the company that created XRP, a registered virtual asset service provider. For this amount, the Fed's possible use of the quick payment service is not even taken into account. XRP to take care of the blockchain part of its payment system. This action shows that people are becoming more confident in XRP's technology and its usefulness in modern finance. It's hard to overstate how important it is for the US Federal Reserve to fully buy XRP in Ripple Labs. The fact that Bell can't buy XRP at regular prices shows how drastically the financial world has changed. To make a normal central bank digital currency, the Fed wants to use the Ripplet system, which uses the XRP ledger and digital assets. This system is cost-effective and good for the environment. It is especially important for this strategy to work now that big central banks from more than 8 countries, including the BRICS, have already teamed up with Ripple Labs to set up the RippleNet system. One of their stories says that the Fed is now working with Metal blockchain to make quick and stable currency exchanges. This is a big step toward combining traditional banking with decentralized finance. At the moment, US citizens can only make fast payments within the country using third-party apps like Venmo and PayPal or digital wallets for cryptocurrencies. However, the Federal Reserve is working on plans to add cryptocurrencies to its system. The XRP record makes the Federal Reserve's work with blockchain technology even more clear. More than 120 companies have joined this platform. Some of them are newcomers like us, Bank Exchange Bank, and others are payment processors and solution providers. An important step forward in the field of digital banking is about to happen when Ripple is added to the FedNow service. Ripple is one of the fintech companies being looked at for this project. Ripple is known for its open-source distributed ledger technology and smart cross-border payment solutions. Stellar Lumens XLM is another possible partner for the FedNow service. Stellar Lumens XLM is known for its blockchain-based payment network that makes foreign transactions faster and cheaper. This brings us back to the two main things we were talking about. The chance that XRP will soon be worth $10,000 and the chance that a lot of XRP will be burned from Ripple Labs Trust. These two things are connected and will cause the XRP digital asset to change in a big way. A lot of XRP being burned from Ripple escrow could help push the price of XRP up to the $10,000 goal. Matt Hamilton, who used to be a director of Ripple and said that the company could burn all the XRP in its escrow wallet, has added to this assumption. This news is especially important because the company is still in court with the SEC, which makes it more likely that such a burn could be part of a settlement deal. A lot of things are affected by this. A massive burn. in supply would greatly reduce the amount of XRP that is available. This would not only cause its price to skyrocket to $10,000, but it would also create an unmatched demand for XRP from both institutional and retail investors who want to use digital assets like XRP for cross-border payments. With more than 1.2% quadrillion dollars worth of transactions in the International Swaps and Derivatives Association ISDA alone in one day, XRP is expected to handle a huge number of transactions. Because of the high number and value of these transactions, each XR token needs to be evaluated at $10,000. This story does a good job of describing the scope by saying that XRP wants to allow transactions worth more than $1.2 quadrillion. That's just one part of the equation. The total doesn't even take into account other important players and systems where XRP is expected to have an impact. It doesn't include SWIFT's possible use of XRP for big purchases by financial giants like BlackRock and JP Morgan, which are said to have started hoarding over 7.5 million XRP. SPY's plans to expand XRP transfers throughout Southeast Asia are also having an effect. This figure does not include partnerships like the one with a big payment company to make it easier to buy and sell digital assets and send money across borders in Africa. When we add up the trillions of dollars from private investors and the quadrillions of dollars from central banks and countries that have accepted XRP, it's clear that XRP needs to be worth even more. Even though this seems impossible, it fits with the idea that XRP will make it possible for huge amounts of money to be sent around the world. Even though XRP is only worth 62 cents right now, I bought it because I thought the technology and its ability to handle large amounts of money would make it useful in the future. Since XRP has so much promise, it will need to be worth a lot more in the future than it is now. Also, please remember that the information in these movies is just for fun, and that I am not a licensed financial consultant. I always tell my viewers to do their study and talk to experts before making any financial decisions. Thanks for watching, and if you like the movie, please click the button that says subscribe. Remember to turn on alerts so you'll be the first to know when I post something new. I can't wait to see you in the next video.